So guys, in this video I will teach you how to take advance salary. We are using C3Pay application and today is 18th of April and I am already out of money. As you can see, I've got only 39 AED and hence I would like to take some advance salary from the company, and to do that we'll just click here. You see the option get money. We need to click here and take advance salary. How much we'll get, let's see. Let's get started here, and here is the process. Whether we'll get it or not, I don't know. Oh my god, what to do now? It says that not allowed to take early salary. Now you people tell me what to do. No options available for me. What should I do now? But then this is the process that you'll be using to get early salary or advance salary from the company. The application interface will be like this, and then you just need to see here, you'll find the option get money. You just click here and then it will show like this if you are eligible or if you are not eligible to take advance salary from the company. But as of now, what I can see, I am not eligible and I cannot take advance salary from the company. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.